Good morning, Saugus. My name is Dillon Lovelace, and today is Thursday, February 20th.
And I'm Joaquin Rios. This is SNN.
For today's fact of the day, we thought we'd tell you about National Leadership Day.
National Leadership Day is observed annually on February 20th to recognize and celebrate the importance of leadership in all aspects of life. It highlights the qualities of great leaders, such as vision, integrity, and the ability to inspire others. This day is meant to encourage individuals to develop and embrace their leadership potential.
This day serves as a reminder that leadership is not limited to titles or positions, but is reflected in actions and influence. Schools, workplaces, and organizations often use this time to honor outstanding leaders and provide opportunities for leadership development.
National Leadership Day also encourages people to reflect on the impact of strong leadership in their communities and beyond. It emphasizes the importance of guiding others with purpose and responsibility. By recognizing and cultivating leadership, individuals and society as a whole can strive for growth and positive change. Please stand for the flag salute.
Please stand. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may now be seated.
The front gate, located directly in front of the office, will now be locked beginning at 4 p.m. when the administration office closes for the day. The pedestrian walk-through gate, located at the back of the parking lot near the blacktop, will remain open for any after-school sporting events or on-campus activities.
Students will still have access to exit the Performing Arts Center gates and the pedestrian gate at the back of the parking lot for pickup after any on-campus event.
If you are a freshman, sophomore, or junior interested in taking REACH during the upcoming fall semester, applicants must have a 2.5 to 3.5 GPA and be interested in attending a four-year college or university. If you're interested, scan the QR code for the link to apply.
Now, let's go to Mr. Lapata and Coach Russell with this week's Athletic Director's Minute.
Good morning, Saugus. Athletic Director's Minute. How we doing, Coach?
Doing great.
All right. I'll start. Boys volleyball had a huge win yesterday. They won 3-0. Let's see. Boys lacrosse, Foothill League opener, beat Hart 14-4. What do you have?
Baseball won yesterday, 10-1.
Very nice. Very nice. All right, so we're going to do something a little new. We're going to do kind of some previews for some of our spring sports, and I'm going to go ahead and start. We're going to start with boys tennis, and we're looking for great things this year from Tate Franti and Luke Regalado. Tate and Luke are two senior players with 3 years of varsity experience under their belt. This year, they are teaming up in a double format and are looking to be a dominant force in the Foothill League. Luke's aggressive play style with Tate's skills at the net create a powerful combo. These two are definitely ones to watch for the season.
All right, the 2025 men's swim team is 37 strong with deeper and wider talent than recent years. The team's pre-league schedule includes tough meets versus top CIF programs like Glendora, Liberty, and Ventura. Our league continues to have top SoCal talent at Valencia, West Ranch, and Hart. The men are in Division III this year and have some opportunities to send a large contingent to CIF, including Junior Logan Devine, who might be in the hunt to earn a CIF champion banner for the SHS Gym.
That is awesome. Liberty, Liberty. All right, here we go. Boys volleyball this year. We're looking for a great season. We have tons of size at the outside hitters, and we have some key returners coming back to the roster. Each game's going to be highly competitive within the Foothill League play. So let's go Saugus boys volleyball.
And let's talk about baseball. Varsity's baseball. Saugus baseball is loaded with talent this year and led by a great senior group. Caleb and Caden Haig are off to great starts already. This team is ready for the challenge to bring the Foothill League title back to Saugus where it belongs.
I like that. All right, let's go with a tennis joke today. This is straight from Coach Sindel. Why is the tennis court so loud?
I don't know.
Because all the players are holding a racket.
They are.
They sure are. All right, with that being said, let's go back to our anchor.
Thanks, Mr. Lapata and Coach Russell. Good morning, Saugus. I'm Riley Roxburgh with today's Saugus Sports Update. Today, Frosh Baseball plays San Marcos at Saugus. The game starts at 3. Boys Volleyball plays Paraclete at Paraclete. JV plays at 4 and Varsity plays at 5. Also today, Varsity Boys Tennis plays Crespi at Saugus. The game starts at 3. Tomorrow, baseball will participate in the Easton Tourney. Girls Lacrosse plays Kate at Saugus. Varsity plays at 3 and JV plays at 4:30. Saugus Dance will be hosting a competition in the gym on Saturday, February 22nd. Performances will go from 7:30 a.m. until 2 p.m. Good luck to our Centurion athletes. That's all for me. Now let's go to Nina Rapole with our first edition of Cooking with Potatoes in honor of National Potato Lovers Month.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Nina Rapole reporting for S&M. In lieu of February being National Potato Lovers Month, we thought we'd tell you how to make accordion potatoes. For this recipe, you will need 3 to 4 large potatoes, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of grated garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of dried parsley, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, and 1 pair of chopsticks. Before you begin cooking, be sure to wash your hands and wear appropriate clothing. First, preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Start by washing all of your potatoes and cut them into circular slices. Next, line up the edges of the potato with the chopsticks and cut your slice first vertically. Then flip the potato slice over and cut diagonally. Repeat with the rest of your potatoes and set them aside. You should end up with an accordion-like design on your potatoes. Next, in a small bowl, mix together your butter, garlic, parsley, and Cajun seasoning. Then, take a pastry brush and brush the butter sauce over all your potatoes on both sides. Next, place your potatoes in the oven for 25 minutes or until golden brown. Once removed from the oven, brush your potatoes with more butter sauce and they are ready to serve. These potatoes are simple and delicious and the perfect appetizer to enjoy for Potato Lovers Month. This is Nina Rapole reporting for SNN.
Thanks, Nina. That's one musical potato.
I couldn't agree more.
LitMag is accepting submissions of drawings, paintings, collages, digital art, poetry, short stories, and photography to the 2024 to 2025 Literary Magazine. To submit your art, you must pick up a submission form in room P1606. Submissions are due March 21st.
Seniors, the American Public Works Association is offering scholarships to seniors pursuing a career in civil engineering or public works related to engineering fields. Up to 10 scholarships worth up to $2,500 will be awarded. To apply, pick up an application in the counseling office. Applications are due March 14th.
The San Fernando Valley Deltas is offering a $5,000 scholarship to an African American student. Applicants must have a cumulative GPA of 2.75 or higher and will compete based on their leadership abilities and academic performance. Applications can be found in the senior Google Classroom or picked up in the counseling office and are due Monday, March 17th. That's all for today. I'm Dillon Lovelace. Stay tuned for SN Radio on August Today.
And I'm Joaquin Rios. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.